Hello everyone, and welcome to the Lexus of Tulsa Virtual Classroom. I'm Brandie Back, your Lexus Technology Specialist, and today I'm taking you through Lexus Interface Audio. I'm going to go through how to tune, how to save your favorite radio stations, and settings. Let's get started. To access your audio menu, you'll just want to select the music note on the left side of the interface screen. And now you have a couple of options when it comes to turning on your audio. You have the power volume button here, you have the enable audio button on the screen itself, or you can use the intelligent assistant and say, hey, okay, hi Lexus, turn on my audio. We're just going to select enable audio. And now it takes us to our menu. So on the left side, you have all of your options here to tune. Your favorites appear here on the right side, which you can save up to 20 of those, and I'll show you how in just a moment. And then you have your little pop-up menu to see the station. Whenever you select that, it pulls up the artist information and song information as well. I want to go back in the menu here by pressing the back arrow and point out a couple of features. Here, this magnifying glass is your intelligent assistant, so you can select that if you wish. You also have your sources button to the right of that, so that gives you your options to select radio. You can see it has my iPhone. You also have options for Apple Music and Amazon Music. That is the integrated streaming available through the Lexus app and does require a Wi-Fi Connect subscription. Lexus Interface vehicles receive a complimentary trial of Wi-Fi Connect, and that trial is 3 gigabytes or 1 month. And is provided by AT&T. For more pricing information, visit AT&T.com if you wish to continue after the trial. You also have an option of subscribing to the Music Lover bundle, which enables integrated streaming features as well as provides you remote connect availability. You have several options to tune. You can select tune and then go to the source you wish to program and type in the station and then select tune to station. You also have FM radio, AM radio, and Sirius XM to select from. So if you go to FM radio, it will populate all stations or categories to choose from. And then on the right side, you have recently played, and then all stations are listed below, which you can refresh, which I love. If you're out of town, that allows you to find stations in that area and pull them in and select them if you wish. You have that same option in AM radio, and then Sirius XM looks a little bit different. You have your recommended for you options, and then you have the genres and categories to select from. If you scroll all the way down, you have all channels that you can choose from as well. To program a favorite station, I'm going to select tune, and I'm going to type in 88.7, which is a classical station, select tune to station. So it populates here on the right side. I can then select the heart on the upper right, and it will let me know that the favorite has been added, and it'll drop it in first in my lineup of favorites. So then I can go in and move that if I wish. If I don't want that as a favorite, I have a couple of options to remove it. I can select edit and select the minus button, and it'll remove it from my favorites. Or I can, if on that station, I can just select the heart and remove it out of my favorites. So you can see it is now gone. Well, if I want to organize, I can select the 3 bars and move that station to where I want it. With Lexus Interface, sound settings are no longer housed in the audio menu, they're actually in the settings menu. So if you select settings on the lower left of the screen, it'll take you to your settings menu. And then if you scroll through the My Settings portion here to Sound and Media, it will then populate that menu. So you have under Preferences, Levels, Sound Tuning, and Media. Levels is just your different level sounds, so auto sound levelizer, your phone options for ringtone messages and volume. And then you have system settings, so system voice, the driving assist options, and then your surround sound speakers. Under sound tuning, that is where your treble, mid, and bass are, and then that also allows you to adjust your balance and fade. Media just houses your default source and cover art display. And then you have your sources. So your radio, this is just different options available to you if you want to turn them on and off for HD radio, FM information. Under Sirius XM, this is where your subscription information would be housed. Under help and support, that is where your radio ID is housed. Thank you for joining me today. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can receive notifications when we post a new tutorial or 5 things that I love. We'll see you again next time.